Hey, credit heroes. Today I'm going to teach you a little known secret deletion hack. So you better stick around. My name is Daniel Rosen, and welcome to Credit Repair Business Secrets. Today's credit repair tip of the month is a little known secret deletion hack that most folks don't do, but it could make a huge impact on their credit scores if they would. And I should tell you, this tip of the month is brought to you by Credit Hero Score, the only credit reports that integrate with Credit Repair Cloud. And if you want me to hold you by the hand as you launch your very own credit repair business, go to CreditHeroChallenge.com. Oh, and I love this part. Every episode, I'm featuring one of our credit heroes inside our Credit Repair Cloud Facebook community so you can see firsthand what real people are doing as they launch and grow their business. And today's spotlight is on Lakisha, who posted this amazing picture just a few days ago in our community. It's of her giant billboard that says K&M Wealth Services, turning your dreams into reality. And this is so cool. And I want to read you what Lakisha wrote. I want everyone to know that you can do it. 2 years ago, I quit my job as a burnt-out certified nursing assistant to push my business harder. I'm also a mother of 6 kids, 5 girls, 1 boy. Last year, one of my business goals was to help 21 people to get approved for homes. This year, I have a goal to help 24 people get approved for homes. So far in January, I got 3 new clients approved and 2 more closings scheduled for this month. Just continue to push and do not give up. You can do it. I am so happy for you, Lakisha. This is amazing. You really are changing lives. And I can't wait to see you hit the Millionaires Club. We are all rooting for you. Okay, let's get into this. Did you know that when you sit down at a bank or a dealership or a credit union or anywhere for that matter, and the loan officer or the lender, they type in your personal information into the application, did you know that that information they're typing is placed directly in your credit reports? Yes, that's where all that stuff comes from. Your name, your address, your social, your date of birth, your employment information. It's all added to your report exactly the way they typed it. So this means that if the person who was typing it in, if they spell your name wrong or they put in the wrong date of birth or anything else, it becomes part of your permanent credit file. And here's why this is important. These errors, they can cause you to be denied the next time you apply for credit, because if the information you give them, if it doesn't match what's on file, it's an instant red flag. Now, when you look at this from the lender's perspective, it's easy to see that if you were lending money to strangers and the information they provided, if it doesn't match their credit report, it's a possible sign of deception. But that's not all. Not only can it stop you from getting approved for credit, but there's a possibility that can also cost you a job that you're applying for. See, employers, they regularly pull credit reports for security clearance or to fully vet their new hires. And that makes it that much more important to ensure that the personal information on your credit report is correct. Because if it doesn't match the employment application, some employers, they may take that as a red flag and they'll hire someone else. Now, in addition to making sure that all the personal information is indeed correct, there is a secret reason to remove everything except the exact and current information. Do you want to know the secret? Okay, listen up, because this could make a huge difference in the results that you are able to get with credit repair, okay? So here it is. Negative accounts may be tied to specific pieces of personal information. For example, you may have a collection account that's tied to a misspelled name, or an old address, or an alias that's tied to a charge-off that you want to get rid of. So this means that by removing everything except one name, one current address, one correct date of birth, one accurate social, and up-to-date employers, by doing this, you can get instant deletions and super easy results without ever having to dispute each of those items. So here's how you do it. When you go to send out your first cycle of letters, you want to list all the discrepancies in your round one letter and go after those first. And that's going to make your job easier and you'll be more efficient because that personal information tied to the negative accounts will no longer exist. So you get fast, easy results. Now, if you don't know what letter to send, I'm going to give you the 5 dispute letter templates that every credit hero needs. And I'm going to give these to you completely free, okay? I am going to give you the round one letter, which is used by thousands of credit repair professionals for a very good reason, because it works. I'm going to give you the reinvestigation letter to put extra pressure on the credit bureaus. I'm going to give you the method of verification letter, which is what you want to use when an item that you know to be inaccurate comes back as verified. I'm going to give you the warning letter to show the credit bureaus that you know your rights and you mean business. And I'm also going to give you the validation demand letter to use whenever you're facing aggressive debt collectors. And you can get all these dispute letter templates for free at creditrepaircloud.com/dispute-letter-templates. And if you want access to our massive 140 letter library and our letter finder feature, just log into your Credit Repair Cloud account or sign up for a 30-day free trial at creditrepaircloud.com/free trial. And if you'd like me to hold you by the hand as you launch your very own credit repair business, be sure to check out our Credit Hero Challenge. It's a live experience that has helped tons of credit heroes to get their first clients, to get certified in disputing, and to gain confidence as they launch their credit repair business on a solid foundation so they can change a whole lot of lives and make a great living in the process. We're starting the next challenge in just a few days, and you want to join before the doors close. Otherwise, you're going to have a long wait until the next one. So go and sign up right now at creditherochallenge.com. And if you're finding value in the things that I'm sharing on this podcast, be sure to click to subscribe and leave me your questions and your comments because I read each and every one of them. And I will see you in the next episode. And until then, be a credit hero and keep changing lives. Want a fast track to creating an amazing business that helps people, changes lives, and makes you a great living in the process? Then I'd like to invite you to my free online training at creditrepaircloud.com/free training. In this free training, you will learn how to get clients willing to pay you even if you're just starting out, how to get easy credit repair results without being an expert, and how to get all the clients you'll ever need without paying for advertising. Again, this training is absolutely free. Just visit creditrepaircloud.com/free training.